Welcome back to another video. Today we have the DCF840 C2. This is a brand new impact driver. I know there's a lot of hype about this impact driver, but this is another one impact driver that they did not do a lot of hype about, and I want to show you guys that today. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more to review videos. That's the way YouTubers supply for my subscribers and likes, so help out the channel by doing so. So we got the DeWalt 20 volt brushless. So this is a 20 volt tool. It's a 1/4 inch impact driver. It says 21% more torque, 1700 inch pounds. You got DCF840 C2. Come with 2 batteries, a charger, and a bag. Specifications: you got drive size 1/4 inch, quick release hex shank. You got max torque 1700 imp-pounds, 192 newton meters. I don't know if I'm reading that right. It's kind of blurry. No load speed, 0 to 3200 RPM. Impacts per minute, 0 to 4200 IPM. You got tool weight 1.9 pounds. This is a tool that I wanted to get because it's very comparable to the, like I said, the 850, the DCB850, and there's not a lot of videos out there for this tool. I want to give a big shout out to Joe the Tool Guy for informing us about this tool, and also we're going to be making more versus videos with this tool. Comes with a nice DeWalt tool bag. You guys, pretty small actually, just for this tool. We're gonna go ahead and open this up. Alright, so we got the tool itself. DCF840 cordless impact driver, 1/4 inch, type 1. We already went over the newton meters and all that stuff. Got brushless, so pretty much a standard 20 volt tool. It says brushless on the back. This is very comparable to the Atomic. You got 4 connectors there with the battery, or 4. Alright, you got the used DeWalt batteries listed, made in Mexico. We got a tri LED. There's no speed selector, so it's just variable speed here. We'll do some quick measurements of this. It's about 5 inches, 5.0. Body itself, without the collet, it's 4.5 with 2.2 on the width, 2.6, and the base long wise, it's about 3.7. 1 pound, 14.8 ounces. On the side. Alright, so we got a belt clip. It's a pretty nice belt clip. So put that in, install that. We got a charger here. This is a really small charger, the DCB 107. This is a 12 volt 20 volt max charger. So this thing is really small. It's smaller than a regular charger actually. It's a 1.25 amps, so this is a really slow charger. Alright, so we got the battery. Pretty simple battery, not really the best batteries out there. It does not have a fuel gauge, so you guys see this is pretty much bare bones here. No fuel gauge on this. And here's the other battery, no fuel gauge on this, I repeat. So pretty much I will tell you guys, you got the DCB207 20 volt max 1.3 amp hour batteries, 26 watt hours, type 1, made cells made in Malaysia, pack assembled in Mexico. We got some instruction manual here. Alright, so we're gonna put the tool, this here, see what the sounds like. We got a lot of air movement on the side here. Got a lot of air movement. We're at 0 out. So we got 2 pounds, 10 ounces. Alright, we got a small screw here. We're gonna see if this will drive it in. You got a bit here, star bit. It's a quick insert collet. So there you go, guys. It did it. It's a little too fast. You do have to be good at the variable speed to draw something that's really small like this. Alright, we're gonna be doing some drilling here. Just some basic drilling. This is a 1/2 inch bit here. We're just gonna do a couple holes here. Do another one right here. It's actually pretty powerful. Alright, we got a 1-inch spade bit. We're gonna do a hole right here. 1, 2, 3, go. Alright, we're gonna do another one with the brand new spade bit. Right here, 1, 2, 3, go. Is it all the way in? Looks like it's in. Do one right here. 1, 2, 3, go. Just you have to do it slow. Let's do it one more time. Yeah, I guess you have to do it slow. You can't just yank it up. This is a 1/2 inch by 4 lag screw. We're going to be running a 3/4 inch socket. Remember, guys, this is a really small battery, small tool. So we'll go ahead and do it right here. 1, 2, 3, go. It split the wood a little bit, but still pretty good. Drove it all the way in, no problem. Alright, got a temperature test. We got battery 93, 100, 94, 85, 87, 92, 89, 98. It's actually running pretty cool. So 97. So pretty nice. It's actually running really cool. Yeah, it's not too bad. This is probably the warmest part here. Guys, let me know what you guys think about this tool. Let me know if you guys want to see this against another tool. Let me know down in the comment section. I think it's a really powerful tool. The only thing I don't like is the variable speed. Doesn't have speeds here for you know, for smaller screws. But still, you can get used to this. You can get used to that and be pretty precise as that. Other than that, very powerful, very compact, very lightweight. I really like that. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.